How to log in into Discover Card account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So first and foremost, open up any web browser that you want in your laptop or in your desktop, and in the search URL type in Discover Card Login. Now from the search results, click on the first link on your interface that says Credit Card Login Discover. Then you'll be directly taken into login page. So on this login portal, all you have to do is first of all enter your user ID associated with your account. So make sure you enter your correct user ID, and under that you have to enter your password. Here, make sure you type in your correct password. Now if you would like to save your user ID for the next time to log into your account, click on this checkbox that says remember user ID so that your user ID will be saved in the device, so next time you only have to enter your password. And in case you forgot your ID or password, there is a link to recover it. Click on it and this will help you out to recover your account. If you want to activate credit card, click on this link, or if you want to register your account, go to the last link. Now once you're done typing in your ID and your password, click on this login button, and after that you will be logged in into your Discover Card account if you have entered the correct login information. So that's how you can log in into Discover Card account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.